Now you may have noticed my inspection lights on my videos. This is an absolute beast. It's seriously bright. It's got a solar panel on the back so you can charge it in the sun. It doesn't charge very quickly in the sun, obviously. Here's your outputs here. But do you know what? It is really bright and relatively robust. I've had it for about 6 months now, and yeah, it's a fairly robust bit of kit. Obviously used quite a lot. It's got many various settings, and it's also got a blue flashing lights. I suppose in case you break down, you can put it at the back of your car at night time and have the blue flashing lights. I suppose it simulates making people slow down and things like that. But I just use it in the workshop, and you can put it anywhere. You can throw it around. It's also got a clip on the back as well. It's also got a clip on the back as well, so you can hang it up somewhere on the wheel arch or anything like that. It's magnetic as well, so there's 2 magnets there, so you can obviously put it inside the actual wheel arch itself and magnetize it onto the outrigger while you're working on the braking system. So in all, a really handy light. And yeah, I've had many workshop lights before, but I like this one, and it charges from USB-C as well. So basically just what your phone uses, easy enough.